Open days are a fantastic way of finding out more about what a university has to offer. It's an important part of your research and it's key to making sure you pick a university that is right for you. It allows you to find out more about the campus, the courses, the accommodation, the facilities, the student life, and all of the amazing opportunities that the university can offer you.
Planning is an essential aspect to attending a university open day. So it's very important that you guys write down any questions that you have prior to attending. This may be in relation to the course, it may be in relation to the modules or the methods of assessment. You will receive an open day welcome pack when you book onto the open day. So it's very important you have a look at the schedule and have a look at what sessions are taking place. From there, you'll be able to plan the different sessions that you would like to attend and ask any questions at the relevant places.
During the day itself, make sure you ask lots of questions and get involved any way that you can. In the course sessions, of course, you can ask lots of questions of the teaching staff and tutors that will be delivering the course, but most importantly, ask lots of questions of the students. They've been through the whole process, so you'll be able to find out exactly why they chose that university, why they love to study there, and you'll be able to find out more about the student experience and opportunities directly from them.
It's very important to include your parents and guardians into the open day experience. They might have thought of questions that you guys might not have thought about, and it is also very handy to get a second opinion on the information that has been put your way.
Just some things to look out for on an open day. Obviously, you will have gone along to the course sessions, so try and find out as much as you can about the modules and the course so that you make a really well-informed decision about what you're going to study. You can also look around some of the facilities if there's anything like that that you are considering looking at when you are on the open day about the course. You might look at things like the accommodation. If you're thinking of moving out, you can have a look around some of our halls as part of the day. You might have a look at the location, particularly if you're moving to a brand new city and you're moving away from home. You might want to have a look to make sure that city is going to feel like home when you move out to that university. You can also then look at things like sports teams, societies, and all those kind of wider opportunities that the university might provide you. We've got schemes such as our DMU Global, which allow you to take advantage of some of our travel opportunities. So that might be something else that you want to consider when you are on those open days, is just finding out a little bit more about things like that. If you're thinking of taking a placement or doing any work experience, have a look at schemes at the university that can offer things like that for you as well. We've got our DMU Work scheme and our placement teams who will be happy to answer any questions about that from our open days. And then finally, it's really just down to making sure that you make the most out of the experience. So again, absorb as much information as you can and really try and enjoy the day.